Running just a portion of your workpiece's measurement plan should be simple. But in some metrology software, it becomes complicated. In a typical production environment, you must selectively measure critical dimensions or problematic features of your workpiece to improve part quality. Or your workpiece runs through multiple operations and you use in-process inspection to ensure quality at each stage of production. For quality control, you start by building a complete measurement program for your workpiece. It will contain dimensions for all operations of your production process. In some measurement software, you have to create new programs from scratch for each of your operations. Or you have to chunk out the code, accounting for entangled alignments and questionable position points. This task also needs to be completed for each study of critical dimensions. That means you're stuck writing more new programs or chunking out more code from the full program for each of those studies. As the number of operations and small areas of focus increase, so do the number of programs you need to manage. This issue becomes even more complicated when you need to edit your programs due to an engineering change. Managing these programs is time-consuming, as a change to one dimension or measurement characteristic means the change must be made to all programs it's used in. With Calypso, you can accomplish all of this within one measurement plan. In Calypso, each measurement in your plan is represented by an autonomous object that contains the complete set of actions needed to measure and report a dimension. Objects are easily created, fully editable, and can be moved freely within your measurement plan to reorder the measurement sequence. The flexibility and convenience of object-driven measurement is further demonstrated by the ability to run portions of your full plan. Simply select the objects you need, click Run, and choose Current Selection in the menu options. With Calypso, if you have a group of dimensions within a full plan that are commonly measured together, you can define and save them as mini-plans. To create a mini-plan, you simply select the measurement objects you want to include. Then, save the identified objects as a mini-plan, all within one measurement plan. These mini-plans are then available to run as an alternative to measuring the complete measurement plan. And the mini-plans are always saved and available later for other CMM operators. Your mini-plan measurements stay within one workpiece measurement plan. That means an edit made to an object in the measurement plan is also applied to all mini-plans. You only need to edit your measurement objects once, no matter how many mini-plans they're used in. This ensures that all plans associated to the workpiece are always consistent and updated. You don't have to manage changes across multiple programs and files. Because you can define mini-plans with Calypso, you can quickly and easily run only part of your measurement plan. Apply measurement edits to all mini-plans at once. Identify operations and critical dimensions for later use and use by other CMM operators. By only measuring what is required, you will reduce your workload, improve your productivity, free your CMM to measure other parts. Call 1-800-327-9735 today to schedule your Calypso demo.